It's the Bell Fam.
And today we're doing
purple slime
And pink slime.
So we got this at Target. It's called Color Slime Kit. If you guys want to get it. And it brings the color glue. It brings a pink one and a purple one. So we're gonna need glue. We're gonna need balls, mixing spatulas, and magical liquid. Help Mackenzie. I'll help Michaela.
I got Mackenzie. Ready, baby?
So we're going to
Ready, turn it upside down and squeeze. Oh, gross.
hers is coming pink right.
Yeah, let's see.
Ready?
Ready? Push.
Gross. Look at that, Kenzie. Gross.
Mine is grosser.
Yeah, it is.
All right, hold on, Kenzie.
What's your favorite color, Michaela?
Pink.
I thought it was purple.
I shouldn't get pink.
No, Kenzie, not yet. Not yet, baby. Not yet. Not ready for that. Hold on, Bubber.
So it's a little hard to get.
Next,
So hard.
we need the magical liquid.
Magical liquid.
Yeah.
And we need how much for this, babe?
2 tablespoons.
To start off?
Yes.
Kenzie, no, not yet. Well, why'd you do this, Dink? Start mixing.
So let's go, guys.
All right, Ken. So you can mix it.
Start mixing, Kenzie.
Does Michaela get one?
Look, I gotta do Michaela's right now.
Okay. Ready?
Here, look, look.
We put 1 and we put 2. 2 tablespoons. So we put 2 tablespoons first, and then we mix. Ready? Go ahead. You can mix.
Ew. They're gross. Okay, this is
As you guys can tell, it's starting to like.
getting like slimy and mud slimy.
And 2 more?
Mackenzie's just turning.
Yeah, then we add 2 more. 2 more tablespoons. Okay.
I got it, Kenzie.
Now yesterday, before we went to
One.
sleep, we
Do it.
did some
Good job. Now
slime. So you guys are gonna get to see the slime that we made yesterday as
That one was
well.
glittery.
Yeah. Go ahead, Mikey.
Here, look. Go,
Okay, one more.
go
Okay.
stick it. Go ahead, mix, 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 mix.
Go ahead. And now mix.
Oh my.
You want me to help you?
No, I go faster.
Okay, you go. You got it, girl. Hold on. Let me.
Oh.
Oh, careful.
No.
You're all done, Stinker?
No.
You don't want to play with it?
Can I see hers?
Go ahead, you.
It's water.
Are you done, Stinker?
Okay.
Really?
Mackenzie makes water slime.
Kenzie, why don't you
And
stay here with
now-
us?
Mackenzie.
You guys can.
Okay.
We can
Okay.
take it
I think
out.
Kenzie's all done. So, we have an extra slime to play with.
Slime that we made, and then guys, so
Mom,
this is the slime that we made yesterday.
This is very weird.
And this is the end product.
Can
This is
Somebody
glitter
take-
slime.
slime out? Ew.
So don't forget to subscribe.
We never make
Click the subscribe button down below and follow